Now that we can all agree that maturing is a scam and working is inevitable, working in a company that gives you exposure and allows you to work on your passion is one thing that all of us want. As in African real estate, travel across this country to show you the best of the Kenyan development. And you being here, we are able to tag you along and enjoy this beauty with us. Next to me is a 5-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 280 square meters. This home has been built on a 50 by 100 lot, and in simple terms, that is an eighth of an acre. The details are on another level. The greenery have been very well done. The landscaping has been worked on, and this home comes with a massive parking on this other side. The homeliness has been amplified by the trees around, and this home comes in a gated estate of 8 units. If you are environmental sensitive, you can 100% agree with me that your taste buds are fully satisfied by just looking at the greenery of this front yard. This home comes with a perimeter wall, but it does not make this home claustrophobic because it is very brightly painted. This home comes with a 5-car parking, and as you can see from there, it extends from the gate to the far end. Though if you check very well, there is a separation where the car block ends. This space has been reserved for your gazebo or anything else that you may want. On my left hand side, the garden comes with some kales, some spinach, onions, and some fruits. I'll take you inside. This home is slightly raised because it has been constructed on a slightly inclined piece of land. And the advantage is that you will enjoy incredible views to the other side of the valley. This home is in Ngong, Kibiko, exactly 1.2 kilometers from Ngong town. And you'll have to take these stairs to get to the main house. But before I take you inside, all this can be yours at only 22.5 million. Come with me. First, I want to congratulate the developer of this unit. He has done some awesome job. Do you agree with me? Make sure you comment below. As you can see from there, this home comes with 4 big windows that will give you maximum natural light. The home comes with a double door and it is metal casement, making sure that this home enjoys the maximum security it deserves. The floors of this living room are beautiful and they have been wooden inspired. What makes this differ from any other tile is that these ones are very bad conductors of heat, and this will make sure that your feet does not freeze. This is where you'll do your electronics, and on my far front you have the dining area of this home. This hallway will take you to the kitchen and the guest bedroom. As you can see from there, the dining area of this home is massive, and it comes with this cabinetry that will be used for the cutlery that you regularly use. The dining space also comes with a wash basin. Below it you have 2 drawers for your hand washers, and one thing that is fascinating about this home is the dark brown theme that comes with the drawers. The color has been replicated to the ceiling and the blending is fulfilling. I'll take you to the kitchen. From the entrance, you have the pantry of this kitchen. This door will take you to the rear side of this home and the laundry area. Next to me, this kitchen comes with dark granite countertops all over, and this is the sink area. I like it that the sink area is a double sink and it is next to the window. Next to the sink area, you have this space that has been reserved for your cooking stove. And it comes with this pipe that will connect to the gas cylinders that will be kept outside. This kitchen has been very well partitioned with upper and lower cabinets, and it also comes with extra drawers for your cutlery and your crockery. This space has been reserved for your refrigerator, and the kitchen is very well lit because it comes with several recess lights. As I told you, the pantry is here, and this is one of the biggest pantries that we have seen in the channel. The pantry is very well partitioned, and it comes with these spaces that has been reserved for the groceries that require a lot of aeration. Let's see the clotheslines area, and later I'll show you the guest bedroom. The laundry area and the clotheslines area is on the other side where we have the water tank. This is your laundry area and your clotheslines area, but unless you buy an outdoor washer and dryer, this space does not make any sense. Before I take you inside, it's good to mention that this home comes with a 5,000 liter water tank. From the kitchen, we are at the center of this unit. These stairs will take you to the upper level where we have the extra 4 bedrooms. The guest bedroom, which can also act as the employee quarters, is just next to me, and on my far right, you have the common washroom. At the entrance of the common washroom, you have a wash basin. The common washroom is standard, though it comes with a shower head, of which I think this is 90% useless because each bedroom in this home comes en suite. Let's see the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom or the employee quarters is the smallest. It comes with its closet on this side and its bathroom on my far front. The closet is a standard floor to ceiling. It comes with a dresser at the center and 2 drawers down there. Let's see the washroom. The washroom is just standard. It comes with a wash basin, a showering area, and behind this door you have your water closet. I'll take you upstairs. Now that you have seen part of this home, do you think this home is among the most beautiful homes in Ngong? Do you think it matches the price of 22.5 million that the developer is demanding? If yes, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and if no, make sure you comment below why you think it's not worth it. Next to me, you have the first bedroom on this level. On my far front, you have the primary bedroom. The second and the third bedroom are on my far left. You will see this bedroom, but this bedroom is just similar to the guest bedroom that I showed you on the lower level. As I said, this bedroom is exactly similar to the guest bedroom that I showed you earlier. The closets are just of the same size, and the bathroom is just similar both in length and width. I will show you the primary bedroom, and later we will see the second and the third bedroom. Of course, the primary bedroom is the biggest because it will hold the head and the neck of this family. Make sure you don't ask me who the head or the neck is because I do not know and I do not want to care. The closet is here. It will be sufficient for you and your partner, but it is disappointing because it does not come with a dresser. This door will take you to the balcony of this bedroom. And before I take you outside, do you see how stunning these gypsum ceilings are? And if you still demand more from this room, you'll get incomparable views from these 4 windows. Let's see the primary balcony, and later I'll show you the primary bathroom. The primary bedroom is the only bedroom that comes with a balcony. This balcony gives you the best views to the other valley that I mentioned in the introduction, and from this balcony you will enjoy the best of the breezes from Ngong Hills. I'll take you back inside. The primary bathroom is the biggest. It comes with a WC, and next to me you have an extra storage for your towels and other bathroom toiletries. This looks like a dresser, but I'm very sure it's not. The bathroom also comes with a shower cubicle on this side, and on this far end you have a wash basin, a digital mirror, and to the brush holders. I'll show you the rest of the house. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom that I showed you earlier. It comes with a slightly bigger closet and the longest bathroom. Comparing to the lower level, which had cabinets with bright colors, the upper level comes with a dull theme, especially on the closets. We will see the bathroom because I told you it's uniquely long. From there, you can see that this bedroom is really long. It actually covers the whole length of this bedroom. It comes with a water closet on this side, a wash basin at the center, and on my far front, you have the showering area. I'll show you the last bedroom. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the one that I showed you. It comes with its closet here, though this closet does not come with a dresser. The bathroom to this bedroom is here. Though it's more of a square in shape, and it comes with all the necessary fixtures that you may require. If you are still watching, what are your thoughts on this home? Do you think it is among the most beautiful homes in Ngong? Would you want to host your family in this home? If yes, do you think the price is favorable for you? If not, make sure you comment in the comment section below and we will put your sentiments into consideration. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.